Oh, beep. What?
Start the motor.
What the hell? What?
This is the OG
Killer.
OG killer.
Monica!
Murder box.
The murder box. Alrighty then. I'm not gonna lie, that sounds 10 out of 10. Jam!
Gee,
What the heck has gone on in here?
a lot of
Yes.
things been happening here.
Did the car go kaput?
No,
Big.
not even kaput. We just had to, everything's been moved to one side when it shouldn't have. But what am I supposed to do? Maybe today we strip that engine.
Ooh, that's the all-wheel no?
No,
Yeah,
that is Miru's engine.
Oh.
We can see what destruction it's done. Because we need to take it off there anyway. So,
Swear it said hello.
do you know what I'm trying?
Joe, I can tell you what's wrong with that.
No, you can't tell me. You don't know.
Okay. Got a nice inspection window. How would you get these engines to run with a big window like this?
Basically, because it's been so hot throughout the summer, we have to like give them an extra window to give you a bit of coolness.
That is one.
But that
Bench
one,
rod.
the fabricator made the hole a bit too big,
Oh.
so it tried to escape. So,
Oh no. Tell me, will I need one of these?
yes and no,
What?
because you don't have a speed factor radiator. You have a radiator like this,
Yeah, a little
so
dirty one.
you could just feed it through there.
Okay.
You understand?
No.
Okay, G. But you do need that side plate if you got a K24 head.
Side plate? Which plate?
This plate.
I ain't got K24 head, I got K20 head.
Oh, then you don't need it. But you can still. Ooh.
What you got for sale?
Ooh. Boogity. Okay, wait. It is missing. No, it's not. A
Was-
nice one, Chai.
Is Biggie involved with that?
No.
Okay, I'll have it then.
So basically, obviously, we'll have to take this piece out, put a different piece in it because you're going to run heaters, obviously, aren't you?
Yeah. For now.
So then, or you could just take that and get an AN fitting and make an AN fitting style. I don't think you're running AN 16 holes, are you?
What, to the rad?
Yeah. No.
Well,
So-
can do, but it's just on that.
But I've got
that B
that.
series
But
rad.
I've got that anyway.
Hmm.
What this changes into it. Anyway, so basically your K21 will look like this. Look. Do you get me?
Oh, really?
And then that one will look like that there. That makes no. You don't have to change. You can leave the OEM style really. It's not end of the world. It's entirely up to you, bud. Ding ding.
Yeah.
99.
I ain't got a Scooby Doo.
Oh, don't
We'll figure out when we come to it.
don't stress yourself too much, brother.
Me not stress.
Um.
Me not let them set me off.
Look, see the belt was off. I took the belt off. So if you look at this belt, can you see how this is sitting more over that side? This
Compared
piece,
to the crank one.
not compared to the water pump one. Even the alternator. Look at the alternator straight from top. Can you
Oh
see?
yeah, it's off by maybe a line or 2 lines of that.
Yeah. So basically, that's where the belt sits at the end of that.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can get this skinned a bit.
Oh, Jamin's machine shop.
Yeah, dude.
You got an angle grinder, innit?
Well, I've got another one. I'm gonna try another one anyway and see what's what. But that was a K-tuned one. So unless that's a bloody copy one. And then I realised my belt, the one that I needed was 1220.
You got 1230. Little big.
So I bought 1180 now, I think.
Oh,
I bought it smaller because this has adjustment.
just abilities.
Yeah, so I don't know. Ducks are, we see what's what.
Figure it out.
This shit needs to come out today.
Oh, but first, you know, make a start on one thing.
I think we should clear this side up first, make some room here.
Hmm.
And don't worry about that, we can send that up in the air for a minute.
Just to make it look a bit prettier. There's a man behind this engine. Oh. There was a man behind this engine.
Hello. How are
Jammy,
you?
Jammy.
Hello. Listen, kids.
You got new tools?
Yeah.
What you doing, Jammy?
So this is a mirrored engine. So it's just in the way. It's been in the way for a long time now. So I thought let's just open it up, take out all the stuff we need, and then get it scrapped.
Scrapped. I wonder why we're scrapping it. If we come over this side,
Got a bit hot, bro.
can you see what's wrong with anybody? Oh, I see what's wrong. Is that supposed to be in there, John? Serious?
What is it?
Can have a look.
A bolt.
Yeah.
It might have been the inlet bolt when we took it off.
Oh, if it fell down, it's alright. If it's a...
Do you know what a crowbar is?
Here in my garage. Why do you need a pry bar? What are you prying? Where's your fucking trolley?
I'm in putting it.
Okay, this is...
Oi. Oi.
That's a guide gone, Joe.
Yeah, but we're not running these guides again.
Ever again, he's got the 4P guides.
Yeah.
Naughty boy. Well, that sounded quite nice.
ASMRs.
ASMR, freaking engine tear down.
Really, guide is still okay.
Is it?
A bit
Okay.
off.
Fucking come off, Joe. You know what that means, Jam?
हाँ.
Fuck knows.
Here. ठीक है ना चंगी पली है. चली जाती for अगले season. You ready? Watch this. Okay. And then spring back as I thought it would.
You know, driven engine oil. They should sponsor you guys. Man. The amount of oil you get through. All this high zinc stuff. Driven? I'm going to tag you in the next video.
Nice.
Using your birthday presents, Joe.
Come on, Joy.
That's why you should always get a man tools. Because they'll use it.
You happy?
Yes. Look at you, you're happy as well, Joe.
Nikke ki beta ji diesel on it is going to make you fucking. Oh, this is fucking fingers are freezing cold.
Where's he going with the fucking diesel? Should we just run it and let it smoke us out? Or we'd die proper, like silently, you know. Wouldn't know, we'd both just go to sleep and not wake up. You know what else I got? I bought a fucking locking kit for the cams. I don't know why, I think I needed to hit free shipping, so I just added them to the basket.
Not too bad, to be honest.
This is a car that goes really fast. Once upon a time, it was the fastest in Europe. But then a man called Cat came along and ruined all our hopes and dreams. But no, it made him stronger. Now he's got some hunger in him. Which is what he needed.
Ugga dugga. So exactly you say now.
No, do you want me to do the rest?
You don't even know what to do, my bro.
May just unscrew everything till it comes apart, bro. Unbolt.
I'll come back and you're leaving up the springs at it. Time to ugga dugga the head bolts. Okay. Is that okay?
You leave the room, I'll break them off, then you do it. Do you want the big,
Calm down.
you want the big one? Break them off. See, if you have the right tool, you use it. It's not about you not using it. This guy is a changed man.
Wait a second, doing stuff professionally now?
No, you just, not professionally, but you know, just making it easier for yourself. I know you want to go Gym Jam.
What?
Gym Jam.
Look at the strength! We saw that video.
Haven't seen
Wait.
that. He wanted to use a 3.8 drive on this.
I am in a minute.
You will.
You know what to do, Miro?
Mania.
You know. Hello, Big Saj.
Hello.
Hello. Sound like the geezer from Honey I Shrunk the Kids.
BBC 3.
Sound like a fucking
This is
dinosaur.
This is what happens when you wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, John.
What's in Red Bull?
He's had one, I think.
So you're doing good.
1 litre. It's 4 cans.
This is all Saj's fault. Why is it Saj's fault?
What did I done?
I would have been.
He was the worst pick group.
No.
He was a weak.
Why did he say that about you, man? That's so horrible.
That's mean. I'm on fucking someone else's team.
Nah, stay on my team. You're the best pick group.
You gotta cry properly if you're gonna cry.
Do you know what he's on about?
No.
You're too young, man.
I watched the movie, but I don't remember.
When he's running.
In the field.
Bro, you sound like Nutty Professor, Joe.
I thought you were about that black geezer, the meme.
Oh.
I don't know. That
Something
meme
about
is when, you know when...
my son will always love you, shit like that.
no, it's the one where a dog book here. You don't know that one, do you?
No.
Oh, fuck you.
What apps do you use on your phone? What social media apps?
The one that you're not on.
Grinder.
I was thinking that. Go and get that bag, man.
I was gonna be diesel infected.
2.
Look on it.
Oi, the piston got jammed, bro.
It's the forbidden dessert.
The valve don't look too bad though.
The elixir.
Well, how's his pen mark still there?
Well,
Because nothing goes in there.
Yeah.
The gasket is good. Because look, see, this is the best thing about Allen's fucking gaskets. Because this sticks up.
Get Honda, Char.
I'll see if I can spin the crank. Can you give me a 19 there? Get to tell you. Nah, it's jammed.
Jam like jammy.
Oh no, that's gone, bro.
Jamming Jerome's.
So, yours so
I loved it. Wait, Char, how many holes are in this block?
2.
How did that one happen? It's mad.
What I think you should do with that is just buy a set of valves, really.
Buy a set of valves.
Quick. Buy a set of valves and then that head will be good to go again. You happy, Saj?
Oh, guess what I was gonna. That's why I laughed to myself. See, he's gonna stick a gun on it. There's nothing wrong with sticking a gun on things. You know, you're delicate. You happy, Saj? I'm sorry, John. Do your thing.
Life's a bit longer than it.
Yeah.
Little, you need to find all the washers out of that head. Lost count. Have you made a hole that big? Try, I made 4 holes. 4 holes? Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And that's not from each piston. That's boom, boom, boom.
From one piston.
I think the worst one is only... Wait there now. My hand died.
All right, Titchy.
Okay, now this is where it's going to be a bit messy now.
It's stuck in my head now. Now there's some that come out. It's a small, other one's massive. Can you reuse all that? That's fucked.
Definitely can't use the pump again, innit? Look at all the bits inside of it.
Freaking mad, the destruction on that. Wait, bolts have come loose, bro. One's fucking missing. Do you think that was a gunshot hole that came outside?
That's so funny.
What the fuck?
I should have flipping eased off, man.
Well, you know how to freaking cook it properly, innit?
I think we can save the crank. Honey, child.
My brother, look at the stay on that! Fucking square. Nice, man. Fucking one bolt still on there.
This one.
Oh, you're Titchy? No, you good? My hands are a bit dirty.
No matter what, you can touch me anyhow.
Okay.
Go on, yes, yeah. I don't get this shit.
What the Christmas and the deal with the man, they must
Well,
celebrate.
we got Boxing Day, bro. We got very good deal today. You know, the Prelude.
Well, that's alright, that's alright.
Can't salvage nothing from this engine. Everything's just scrap.
DC2 and 5
Scrap,
grand.
scrap, scrap. Look at the crank.
So,
$5 grand.
Everything's gone.
DC2